Erin learn her. It's truly amazing to see so many future healthcare professionals here, eager to shape their careers. Let me start with a simple question. How many of you are about to join your career, or how many are the interns? Can you just say me who are the first year or second year students, or already you are graduated? Anyone there? So we'll start with a simple question. Okay, second year PharmD. Okay, great. Fourth year, right. Third year. Yeah, I'm glad that you are responding. We'll keep this session interacting till the end. How many of you feel confused about what to do after the PharmD? I guess everyone must be confused, like clinical, industry, or abroad. Or maybe you must be still figuring out, right? So if that's you, don't worry. This session is truly made for you only. You're absolutely not alone. And more importantly, you are in the right place today. Understanding PharmD today. It's very difficult for others, but we PharmD graduates will tell you truly what PharmD is. PharmD is not just a degree, it's a dynamic and evolving profession. You are not limited to the hospitals anymore. Today, PharmD professionals are contributing to patient care, drug safety, research and development, and also the healthcare technology. But let's be honest. In today's competitive world, a degree alone is not enough. What really makes the difference is practical skills, industry exposure, and professional certifications. That's exactly where the right guidance becomes important. Are you with me? Okay, thank you, Apurva. Now let's see, we will explore high growth career domains. There are main 7 domains. I will give you quick glimpse of the high 7 demanding domains where you can build your career. First is clinical research. This field focuses on drug trials and studies. As a PharmD graduate, you can work as a clinical research coordinator, that is CRC, associate, or in also the trial management. Then second field is pharmacovigilance. This is all about the drug safety, monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. Can anyone tell me what is adverse drug reaction? You can just turn on your mic or chat in the chat box. Then in pharmacovigilance, this is all about the drug safety as I said you. We PharmD can report the ADRs. Also roles including drug safety associate and PV specialist. Then next comes medical coding. I guess everyone must be knowing about medical coding. Here you convert the medical diagnosis and procedures into the standardized codes. It's a great option for stable and high demanding careers, especially in the healthcare companies. Next is medical writing. If you have good communication skills, this is the great fit for you. You should go for it if you have great communication skills because you can work on clinical documents, research papers, regulatory content, and many more. Then comes regulatory affairs. This domain ensures that drug meets all legal and safety requirements before reaching the market. You can work with pharmaceutical companies and also approvals and documentations. Everything depends on your skills, how you work. Healthcare and AI opportunities. This is an emerging and exciting field where healthcare meets technology. From data analysis to AI driven healthcare solutions, PharmD students can explore innovative roles here. Many students must be thinking that AI is taking humans' place, but not in the healthcare. Then comes the abroad opportunities. Many students also aim for global careers. With the right exams, certifications, and guidance, you can explore opportunities in countries like US, UK, Canada, and many more. Will anyone tell me why certifications matter? Now, here's very important. I want all of you to remember that your degree just gives you the knowledge, but certifications will give you the skills and also the job readiness, because the recruiters will also always find and search for the new skills, not only for the degrees. Recruiters today are not just looking for the qualifications, they are looking for the candidates who are trained, skilled, and ready for the industry. That's why focusing on certification courses in these domains can truly transform your career path. At Erin Learn Hub, we have been actively guiding students since 2024, helping them gain career clarity, build practical skills, and access real opportunities. We also provide structured programs, mentorship, and career support designed specifically for the PharmD students. And now, to take this forward, especially to understand how our platform and upcoming web app can support your journey in detail, I would like to hand over the session to Pada Sati sir, and thank you for so much support.
Yes, thank you, Kushi. Thank you so much. I'm Parthasarthi, co-founder of Eran Learn Hub. Just a second, I will tell you something different. Why you should learn upskilling courses, how will your career opportunities and everything. And at the end, you will get some surprise schedule as well. So just give me a second. So before I want to present why Eran Learn Hub, why would you join and how it looks like, I'll tell you something why pharm students should learn industry oriented skills. Because as your pharm students, you should learn like it's a foundation course only. But if you want to excel in your career and everything, you should do something different, right? So that is the upskilling courses priority and everything. So today I'm going to speak about an important topic. So like why PharmD students should learn additional skills like as Kushi mentioned, pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, medical writing, clinical research, and other domains. So basically, PharmD is a highly valuable course that gives us strong knowledge, right, about maybe drugs, patients, and clinical practice. So, however, in today's like rapidly evolving healthcare systems, when AI comes into the picture, so degree alone is not always enough to build a successful and flexible career, for particularly for pharmacy students. So, why these upskilling courses are important? Let's come into this point. So healthcare and pharmaceutical industries are growing very fast, as you know. So new drugs, vaccines, and technologies are being developed every day-to-day life. So because of this, there is a need for professionals not only in hospitals but also in areas like, as we mentioned, upskilling courses, pharmacovigilance, clinical research, regulatory affairs, and health informatics. So these fields not just ensure that medicines are safe, effective, like properly approved and well managed in healthcare systems, right? So these fields are definitely necessary. So first, to expand career opportunities, if we depend only on traditional roles like hospital or retail pharmacy opportunities, it definitely can be limited, right? So, but with additional skills, we can enter pharma companies, research organizations, and even international jobs as well. So, only this is possible for PharmD courses. Second, to meet industry demand, pharmaceutical companies need trained professionals. I will mention again, pharmaceutical companies need trained professionals who understand drug safety, clinical trials, and regulations only. So, third, for global career scope, many of these fields offer opportunities to work abroad. Again, I will mark many of these fields offer opportunities to work abroad without needing to clear multiple licensing exams. So, let me briefly explain each important area. First, I'll deal with pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance, first understand the topic. What is pharmacovigilance? It deals with monitoring safety of drugs and detecting adverse drug reactions. For example, it's a very vast topic, but I will just tell some point. If you have some headache and the other person, for example, Joshna, Dhyanesh, Ashish, they both have headache. They are using Dolo 650 Dolo 350 medicine. But Joshna, when she's using medicine like Dolo, She may have side effect like fever, and Dhyanesh may side effect like leg pains, and Ashish may side effect like hair fall. So here we have three adverse effects. So that is, so who will record each and everyone need to record in paper, right? No, right? So that here a pharmacovigilance, drug vigilance. So this is important because even after a drug is released, its safety must be continuously checked. So that is the importance of pharmacovigilance, and you may be the person of pharmacovigilance specialist. So next, clinical research. This involves like conducting clinical trials multiple times to test new drugs before they approved for use. So it is first clinical research, maybe second pharmacovigilance, and then regulatory affairs. It is definitely needed. This field ensures that all drugs meet government rules and regulations before entering into the market. So here there is a high scope for pharmacovigilance PharmD students. And next, medical writing. It involves writing like scientific documents, like research papers and clinical reports in a clear and accurate way. So only your basic PharmD 1 to 6 years course is enough for medical writing and all, but you need external upskilling course for particularly medical writing. There is a high scope in medical writing not only in abroad but in India, right? If you have any doubts, you can just ping me. I will answer you, or else I will continue. Okay. So and then medical coding when it comes to medical coding, this particular medical coding like converts medical diagnosis and procedures into standardized codes used in healthcare systems. When I work in some healthcare company, uh, do you anyone know what is I-10 and N65? And do you anyone know D195? No, right? So there is a why, what is I-10, N95? So you need a medical coding. So I cannot say headache, I cannot say leg pains. So there is a particular code for every simple drug and every simple everything. So by learning this medical coding, you should like there is a high scope in abroad, not just India, abroad as well. There is a high scope. Yes, Sania, I will tell you where to learn medical writing and all. That is an important topic. I'll just in 15 minutes I will answer your question. So I hope it's clear for what is medical coding. Like it's convert medical diagnosis and procedures into standardized codes used in healthcare systems. And then clinical data management. It focuses on collecting how can I say, like collecting, organizing and analyzing clinical trial data. For example, we are doing like experiments in rats, right? So there is every experiment, there is some clinical trial data, so that you should be maintain and update in the records. That is very mandatory to create a new drug. And then health informatics, this combines, it is vast topic, I can say. Health informatics, this combines healthcare with technology to manage patient data and improve healthcare systems. So many other companies, like many other career opportunities like skills hubs, just only provide 5 courses, but here we are providing in the health informatics, medical writing and medical coding in only Eran Learn Hub. Clear? So I'll tell you, is it true the AI take over medical coding and medical writing? No. No, Dhyanesh. Partially it is yes, but before AI is take up and everything, it can't be possible because as I mentioned before, Dhyanesh, Joshna, and for example Sakshi may get just for Dolo 650. There is some adverse effect, right? So AI cannot detect what is this adverse effect and what is in the everything, like what is the side effects and everything. The AI cannot detect. So only the persons who are learning and everything, they can only know what is the adverse effect and how it will be, and then it will convert into coding, right? Medical coding and medical writing and everything. If we learn this, what to do? Yes, that is the question. Now I'm going to tell you what are the career opportunities you are asking, Sania. So yes, so after learning these skills, what I mentioned, all 7 upskilling courses, so PharmD graduates can work as, just note down these roles so you can focus on your career. So PharmD graduates after 6 years can work as drug safety associate, clinical research associate, regulatory affairs specialist, medical writer, data analyst in healthcare. Yes, Sania, I will tell you. I will answer this question after 15 minutes. Okay, where to learn this medical writing and everything. Nivedita, I will also answer this question. So yes, I just mentioned what skills are most important to start a career in medical writing as a PharmD student. Yes, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. And these roles are like what I mentioned: drug safety associate, medical writer, regulatory affairs specialist, data analyst, and healthcare system. So these roles are available in pharmaceutical companies, clinical research organizations, hospitals, and IT healthcare companies. So as Dhyanesh asked, maybe AI is not accurate as human knowledge. I think yes, exactly as he mentioned, human cannot replace. Sorry, AI cannot replace human. So every IT healthcare companies need PharmD graduates. So why these skills are needed beyond PharmD? Because PharmD mainly focuses on clinical knowledge. As I mentioned before, PharmD only focuses on clinical knowledge. However, industry roles, as I mentioned, if you want to like upskill your career, so industry roles require practical skills, technical knowledge, understanding of regulations and data. These are also competitions for like traditional pharmacy jobs is increasing, right? So upskilling helps you to stand out from others. Of course it is mandatory for everyone, and get better salary packages and have more career options. So before entering into our platform, I would like to suggest like FarmD, like just mentioned, FarmD gives you a strong foundation, but additional skills helps you to build a successful career. So by learning fields like pharmacovigilance, clinical research, and health informatics, you can expand your career paths, and you can work globally, and you can contribute more effectively to healthcare. So this is the importance why these upskilling courses are very, very important. Yeah. So before that, I will just share my screen. Just a second, guys. So, Kushi, if students ask any doubts, just ask me because I'm sharing the screen. I may not look into their messages.
Okay, sir. Uh, I request the student just post your questions in the chat box, so we'll be able to answer them in the question and answer session.
Yeah. So, guys, so this is our website, iranlearnhub.in. You can just Google it, and you will get our website and everything. And here we will like about us, like why Iran, what is Iran Learn Hub, and why should you trust us. So currently we have 150K plus students with us, and 45 plus trainers, and we offer 100 plus skills. And I will tell you one interesting why you choose Iran Learn Hub. I will tell you at the last. So it is as definitely surprise fact for every PharmD students. So why we choose us? Just go through the website and you will get to know why you need to choose, because we have specialized content which you cannot search anywhere, even YouTube and everything. And is community driven. If you join with us, you will have a community because it will be helpful for your placements. We will directly. I will tell you like okay. I will tell you now. So we will categorize into two types. One is freshers and one is interns. If you choose Eran Learn Hub courses and everything, so freshers, 99% placement guarantee. So why 99%? Why not 1%? Because that 1% is depends on your talent. We can like without shortlisting and everything, we can just forward your resume to any industries, any hospitals, any IT healthcare sector. But you need to face the interview, right? So we will prepare you. What are the questions they ask? You will get, and how mostly from Aaron Learn Hub, they will pitch you. But before that, they need some technical exposure, and I will just to be honest with you, they need some technical exposure and everything. So from Aaron Learn Hub, we will teach and each and every from A to Z. We will teach and everything. You just need to focus and just learn like a hell. So that is I can say. So you will get a community just for direct opportunities for freshers. Like you need to just face a final round of interview, maybe one round of interview, and then you will get a fresher opportunity. And second, interns. Sometimes a sunrises hospitals, and some hospitals directly contact us and they will ask for some graduates, like we need Pharm D interns, we need Pharm D fifth year interns, sixth year interns. So we choose from our community. Let's say if we have 100 plus students, so we will categorize into some, according to some tests we will categorize, and we will just directly place into some interns into some other hospitals and pharmaceutical companies. So these are two categories we just divided. One is a freshers, you will have interview, and another interns direct, without any shortlisting, without any interview, you will directly place into interns as a we will place directly into hospitals as a interns. And affordable learning, yes, I can proudly say Aaron Learn Hub is the only platform is giving you affordable prices. You can just check our prices topic. So our mentors are available 24 by 7. We have a continuous support system. So these are the four categories why you choose us. Yes, what we offer: expert led courses and entrepreneurial insights. We will not just train you to do job in some other companies. We will train you like you can think like an actual entrepreneur. Who knows, maybe some other persons like Dhyanesh, like Joshna, some other person maybe become an entrepreneur, right? So who knows? So you will get an entrepreneurial insights, not just go and do job. No, we will train you like an entrepreneur. You can actually think like an entrepreneur, and you can actually excel like an entrepreneur. And of course, skill development, you can focus on like practical courses we offer in live sessions and as well. Yes, it is practical. Yes, you are hearing right. We can actually give you a practical way of learning if you can choose a live sessions. And yeah, I will tell you, like, you can actually learn practical in some our platform. I will show you just 5 minutes. And e-learning flexible, as it is online courses, and soon we were offering offline courses in several branches, but currently it is online available in internet. So yes, you can access the content available 24 by 7. So this is our website, you can just have a look. So guys, are you ready? We are just entering into our platform. Yes. So once you log in here, we will ask some basic details, like of course your email ID and everything. So once you enter, and you will get a platform like this. So regulatory affairs, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance, clinical research. As I mentioned, 7 upskilling courses you have here. Not just 4, not just 5, 7. So all the what I mentioned, like medical writing, medical coding, and everything you will be mentioned here. Okay. And this particular thing, if we post any job, any seminar, and any interesting fact, you will get here. So you can just scroll bar, you can just access our platform. Like we will daily update some content, and you can just learn. Maybe we can daily update notes as well. And here if you click Pharm D, you'll it's a just complete guide. What is Pharm D, and what is Pharm D, why should you learn Pharm D? So everything it will mean, what is the input criteria, what is the role of Pharm D professionals, and everything it will be mentioned here. So as I mentioned, maybe career roles like for clinical pharmacist, drug safety officer, medical writer, and what are the government jobs available here, and what is the scope of Pharm D in abroad. So everything we mention here. And maybe if you have some doubts, yes, just simply click here, and all the doubts will be verified. Second thing, syllabus. So you'll get a whole Pharm D syllabus here. Okay. We just uploaded. If you have any syllabus, you can just simply log in and you can download the syllabus. Okay. The whole Pharm D syllabus you will get here. And institutions. Yes, what are the institutions available in all over India? You will get here. Okay. See, Aditya Pharmacy College, Annamacharya AU College. So all kind overall in India, you will get PCI codes. You will have the college directory here. It will be very useful for you actually to learn. So Aditya Pharmacy College is competitor for Annamacharya, right? So every college is a competitor. You should know who are the competitors. Competitors, matlab other students, other co-graduates who are competitor for your high packaging job. So you should definitely look in these competitors, right? And here careers. Yes, daily we will post some careers here. And see, we elaborated what is clinical pharmacist, what is the average salary, what are career pathways here, and everything you will get here. Okay, and some interesting topic I will tell you. It's not just for, yes. As I mentioned, we have some practical exposure videos, right? Yes. So in our platform, only Eran Learn Hub is providing you the only Eran Learn Hub is providing practical knowledge. See, CPR life saving steps in 60 seconds, sunstroke critical first aid protocol, stay calm and act right. So these are the topics where you just simply click and access the content. It's a practical exposure for you. Some content is free, and if you purchase some of the any bundle, you may get all the other, maybe. Then I think this emergency action returns is completely free for you, so you can just simply come here and just you can watch the videos. So it is a practical exposure for each and every pharmacy students. If you stuck it somewhere, see, one thing I will tell you, we categorize these courses. Every single topic is useful for you to excel your exams, is simple for you to excel your career, and to answer your interview questions. Only whatever the topics you are seeing here, whatever the topics you are searching, any kind of thing in Eran Learn Hub, only it is under the syllabus, not out of the syllabus. Only maybe in interviews, IT companies, anything they ask you in this platform only, because it is exclusive content. Yeah, and we have here, before entering in so live sessions we are about to take live. The interesting fact is we are starting our new 14th batch from April 20. So it is our upcoming live batch. As I mentioned, we will cover all the 7 courses, and we will cover all the 7 courses like upskilling courses. As I mentioned, medical recording, regulatory affairs, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance in 3 months. If not, it may be 3 to 4 months. But all the 7 topics with including your pharmacy syllabus and everything. So it is exclusive content. Our top professors will teach you in a practical exposure way. So our new batch starts from April 20. So end of the session, I will maybe Kushi, our founder, will connect with you in this session. They will tell you how this new batch starts. So our new batch starts from April 20. Please note, because it is a limited slots available, and we cannot extend as well, because it is a batch of like 30 students only, and then we were going to 15th batch. Maybe 15th batch it will take 10 days time. As someone asked me like what are the career opportunities and everything. So to be honest, pharmd 5th years 6 years students, you don't have any time, because recessions are going on. You need to upskill yourself. You need to learn what is pharmacovigilance, clinical research, and health informatics. Currently we are in April, May, June. By July, maybe everyone's year starts, like first year pharmd will starts, right? Maybe 4th year promote to 5th year, 5th year promote to 6th year, and 6th years are now their exams are gone. So you need to learn. You 6 years for 6th years and 5th years, you don't have any time actually. So you should learn, because most of the competitors, like why I mentioned competitors, your co-graduates already learned, and they're far beyond you, very in front of you, I can say. So you should take and you should learn immediately. If not, you pitch learn and learn, at least go on to YouTube. You may not get any exclusive content. As I mentioned, we have the exclusive content with practical exposure. So our new batch starts from April 20. So please make a note. And why you should pitch Iron Learn Hub. So here, as I mentioned, career guide. So what are the jobs? Every day we post some jobs here. Okay. So the career role and what is the organization offered and location. It is not loading. We uploaded some content like some jobs. Okay, so what is the location and description action? In this description, what is the stipend they offer? What is the package they offer? So every day you can check here. You cannot go to LinkedIn, Naukri, and just you no need to go. So just come here and you can check. We will mention by dates as well. By date wise, you will get here. So what is the career role they offer? What is the organization, location? So everything you will get here. Once we upload daily, you will may get 10 to 15 job updates. You can just simply click and by action here, you just by simply clicking you could directly apply. So no need to search in any Google or everything. You just come here and have a look and just apply, and you will get. And as I mentioned, whoever are students in Earn Learn Hub, they we will make a note of here. For example, those who are applying here, we will take as an interns and we will directly place into some other companies. So this is the direct benefit for Earn Learn Hub students. Yeah. Before going to some interesting fact, I will introduce our upskilling courses. Yes, as I mentioned already, here every courses you will get health informatics, regulatory affairs, medical writing. So different tutors have offered these courses, and you can just simply come here and you can just simply purchase from single bundle or total bundles. Okay. So now, students, I will introduce some what are the courses like cost and everything. So this 99 thing, just a second. Yeah. Before this, I will tell you some interesting fact. So maybe every family students are learning, right? But just tell me, how can they earn? So you are not getting any internship opportunities. You're not getting placed into some. You're just learning, right? So how can you earn? So in Earn Learn Hub, you actually earn. So yes, you heard right. You actually earn. Just go to freelancing portal. So here, see, maybe 50 years. Just listen. Family 50 year, 60 year, any year, you may know pharma, what is pharmacovigilance, and not just pharmacovigilance. I'm just taking as an example. You may know what is pharmacovigilance. As I explained, our pharmacovigilance, like 5 minutes video, 10 minutes video, 1 hour video. You have maybe you may be better than anyone in pharmacovigilance topic, particular topic. So simply come here, give your details, what is the title of the video, simply upload your content. It not just downloading YouTube content and upload here. No, it will be directly rejected. Your face, you are explaining to some other co graduates and everyone, not to the world. You can just simply record your video with some notes and everything. You just simply come here, upload your video, upload your PDF, and you can just give us a description and submit your request. So once you submit request, we will just check what is the content available from you. Is that actual content you have in your video? Like as I explained, dolo something. Yes, maybe some other students don't know what is pharmacovigilance, so I just explain with some example, right? Even I'm the technical person, I can explain what is the pharmacovigilance. I'm pharma IT person, I don't know what is, but I explained, right? So maybe Aaron Hub considers, and they will give you some, we will quote you with your content. Maybe let's say you have 2 minutes content, but your content 2 minutes is very good. So we will offer you, we want to publish in this upskilling courses. Yes, your face and everything will be seen here. You can other persons can come here and they can simply click. And for example, Yamini Patnaik has provided video in health informatics. She earned 4,000 rupees because the content is 4,000 rupees worth. So we just gave her 4,000 rupees and we uploaded in our upskilling courses in Learn Hub. So by uploading just 2 minutes video, she earned 4,000 because that is the content she have in this health informatics topic. So we offered. In second way, you can also quote ourselves, like for 2 minutes you may charge 5,000, but we want to give you for 6,000. Maybe sometimes it will be valuable and sometimes it will be decreased. So that we can discuss later. You can discuss with our mentors. We can our support system, and you can also learn in some other type of basis. Whoever watching your videos, near 1,200 members, for example, 1,200 members students watched your video. So 12%, like 10% or 5%, we can offer you if you have more than 7 minutes and everything. So whoever joining and who are purchasing, you can actually earn from this video. So who are purchasing 4,000 rupees for one student, you will may get 500 rupees. Let's imagine if 500 students enrolled your video, 500 into 500, 500 persons into 500. Just imagine 25,000 you can simply earn by recording just 7 minutes video. So this is the affiliate mark. Like we just offering you to earn pharmacy students. just not only learning PharmD courses, you can actually earn from our portal, freelancing portal. How is it, guys? I just want to see your reaction. Is it interesting for PharmD students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can actually earn from here. Oh, someone raised their hand. Yes, tell me. Sai Sirisha, yes. Are you asking Sai Sirisha? You just raise your hand.
Sir, can you please pin the link of this website?
Definitely, definitely. Kushi, please provide. Just learnhub.in and you can just go and log in and you can access the content. And
I've
I will tell
checked
you.
in the chat box.
Yes,
Everyone
yes,
can check the chat box.
yes. Here. You can just simply click here and you'll get learnhub.in direct web page. Okay. And I will tell you some other interesting fact actually. It is just ups for freelancing. It's just only one way. And here we have some commission structure. See, so before entering into what is the basic standard premium, premium pro, I will tell you e-bundles. So 99 here you will get the all information like drugs and everything. So just come here and explore. So you will get all the drugs access. See, by simply searching the drug name, you can copy and paste, because if you have exams, if you want to know what is azithromycin, what is erythromycin, what is the doxycycline, so you can just come here and just check. Okay, you will have the direct access in each and every drug. Okay, yeah. So second thing, this is 19 rupees bundle, and this 2500 rupees bundle is, you will have the access to 1 to 6 years course. Yes, you heard right. All the materials, all the ancient everything, you have the topics here and everything. You can just simply come here and you can access the content. Sometimes you will have the video and sometimes you have the notes. Maybe every time you will have the exclusive content here. So 1 to 6 years course you can just access from here only in Aaron Learn Hub. And we pasted some previous year question papers and from some newsletters which are very very useful for you, and some format we just uploaded just for only Aaron Learn Hub students. How the case preparation, what's the soap note format, and each and everything you can access from just 2500 rupees. 1 to 6 years course available here. See, you'll have textbooks here as well, only for PharmD students. So it is a basic cost. And 3D Pharma 87 by 7,999 rupees, guys. You can actually access clinical research, pharmacovigilance, and clinical data management. Of course, you will have resume building, because most of the companies and hospitals just from ChatGPT some resume builder. No, here is from resume building. We need some format. Every company has some resume format because that is the ATS score they access. So we will tell you how your resume can be built and how other companies will access you. We will guide you. So you can, with this cost, you can actually access basic bundle, that is drug safety and everything you can access, and standard bundle 1 to 6 years courses as you can access, and 1 to 6 and clinical research. Just come here and you can actually 15 courses, and pharmacovigilance and clinical data management from, see, other markets, other companies, we are offering single course 6,000 rupees, but we are offering from 8, because it is a limited offer. So we are just giving you the from for 8,000 we are giving you 3D IT company for clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management. So you will have all the exclusive content here, and you can just simply come here and you can access. And guys, You just don't think just by skipping video and you can just get the certificate, because our error learn hub certificate is very 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 important and valid. So it is not, you cannot access the content, it is just an introduction. You cannot access the content like by skipping, you cannot get the certificate, because here by taking like content and everything is very exclusive, and you cannot get this certificate so easily, because most of the companies who are there are collaborators like Dr. Reddy's, Lupin Pharma, they are trusting us, so we cannot give you like, we cannot offer intents so easily. So if you need to watch the whole video, you cannot skip, because there is no features to skip. You must learn, because most of the companies are offering just to give you the video. No, we are not like that. We are not the same persons in some other courses and everything. We need you to prepare, because when we are suggesting you to some doctorate or Lupin Farm, Sunrises Hospital, and every company, we just don't want to give our students like a dumb. You need to learn, you need to know that 5 seconds video, exclusive video as well. So you cannot skip here. Once you watch the video, you can understand. So clinical trains actually 60 minutes. So most of the companies, like most of the other competitive, like other persons, like I cannot name, I just blown my mind, because they offered just clinical trials. They completed their video in just 20 minutes. 20 minutes. How can you learn in the practical way? Or what is practical way you're getting? So no, we are not just doing like that. We just, this topic you can get 60 minutes video, 61 minutes I can say. So you cannot skip here. By, if you need this certificate, a true valid certificate, you need to complete all videos. You must need to complete all videos. So getting a Iran Learn Hub certificate is not so easy, because it is MC approved, it is ISO approved, and it is some other regulate, we have some regulations. So that certificate is valid, and yes, it is a lifetime certificate. So you can, wherever you are go, it is valid. So you can just simply show our certificate to other any companies. So we have approved regulatory certificate. So getting, what want to mention, getting certificates in Iran Learn Hub is tough, because you need to learn buddies. So without learning and everything, you cannot it is doesn't make any sense, right? So you should have knowledge. We want to prepare students a very qualitative way. So you should learn. It is actually beneficial for you, a good opportunities. Yeah, with this price, we offered all 7 courses. Yes, you heard right. You can access to basic bundle, you can access to 1 to 6 years courses, you can access to other 3 courses like pharmacovigilance, clinical research, clinical data management, and other 4 courses: regulatory affairs, medical coding, medical writing, medical health informatics, and all. So medical writing, someone asked. Yeah, see, documentation process, medical writing services, scientific writing, everything you can have access. So as I mentioned, you need to complete all the videos to get the certificate for medical writing. So medical coding, I'll show you what are the content we have. Introduction to medical coding, fundamentals of medical coding. I cannot show you because it is, as I mentioned, it is exclusive content. So I can just tell you show you the topics, like what is that context only. So complaints and standards, role of medical coder, everything. It is a 15 hours course, so not so easy. I cannot just show you. So in just 3 parts, you may have 8 hours courses. So I cannot show you guys. You need to purchase. And health informatics, it is by Dr. Amni Patnaik. And it is our bundle. If you purchase with 17,500, just some other companies, other providers are offering 60,000 for 7, not just 7 courses as well, only 5 courses. They are charging you 40,000 to 60,000. You can inquiry, it's not a problem for us. You can inquiry, but we are offering for very cheap price. Why we are offering very cheap price for with good quality? Because we know the problem of our PharmD students. Because as we are from PharmD graduates, we know what is the pain for PharmD students. By like To be honest, I can say I actually spent 60 plus 40, 60 plus 20, 80,000 just to learn 5 courses. And my other, even Kushi and other persons, whoever we know, we just spent lakhs of rupees to, but it is completely waste of time. They just offered some introduction, guys, bloody introduction. So we just fed up with that strategy and all. So we offered a cheap price with great quality. Once you just access to this content, you will get to know what is the quality we are offering you. So definitely you will get to know. So I think 17,500 is very cheap to access 70 Pharm IT certification pack, because we will give you access, direct access to freelancing. We will give you the career opportunities and direct placement guidance and directly placed in internships at some other companies. Yes, it is affordable. And 18,000 pack is live classes. As I mentioned, April 20, from April 20, whoever access this bundle. So it is a live classes. So what I mentioned, these bundles are recorded, but this 18,000 wala bundle, live sessions. In this live, we offered only 5D certification pack, because some coding is typical to explain in some courses, like in online. So we are trying to plan that offline. So that is a separate package that we will let you know in future. So if you need you need live sessions and you need recorded content, you can access to this bundle. You can just simply come here and you can explore. Within meantime, I cannot explain each and everything. So you can just overview here. You can come here. So those who are access to last 3 bundles, and they are accessible to freelancing portal. Other persons also can come here, and this is the commission structure. So whoever purchase basic thing and whoever they refer some other persons, they will get 50 rupees. If they refer elite pro persons, they still earn 50 rupees. So by just simply referring your friends, you're just actually earning. And this is the thing you can actually earn. And if you purchase elite pro, and if your friend purchase basic thing, if you purchase with 25,000 and if your friend purchase basic package, you will get 50 rupees. If your friend or some co-graduate purchase standard one, you will get 1,000 rupees, and you will get 3,000 rupees if they purchase premium bundle. Still
Excuse
3,000
me, sir.
rupees premium pro. Yes, Manikanta.
సార్ నేను ఆల్రెడీ 17,000 బండిల్ తీసుకున్నాను సార్.
17,000.
నేను ఆల్రెడీ నేను దీని ద్వారా నేను 20,000 వరకు సంపాదించాను సార్.
గ్రేట్ మణికంఠ. సో 20,000 ఎర్న్ చేసుకున్నావు, 17,000
నేను ఆల్రెడీ నాకు సర్టిఫికేట్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు. నేను ఆల్రెడీ కోర్సెస్ కూడా నాది అయిపోయింది సార్.
గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్.
నేను ఇది ఎలా అంటే నాకు పాకెట్ మనీ పరంగా నేను ఇందులో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను, అలానే స్కిల్స్ కూడా నేర్చుకున్నాను నేను ఇందులో.
గ్రేట్ మణికంఠ, గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నిజంగా ఎరండ్ అండ్ హబ్ అనేది చాలా మాలాంటి వాళ్ళకైతే ఒక మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మణికంఠ. యాక్చువల్లీ గుడ్ టు హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. సో 4 person రిఫర్ చేస్తుంటూ యూ మే గెట్ 20,000.
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
గ్రేట్ మణికంఠ, గ్రేట్. Please refer some other person. Because it is very useful for you. You will get actually మంచి కంటెంట్ మీకు వచ్చింది చాలా తక్కువ ప్రైస్ కి చెప్పాలంటే. సో ఐ డోంట్
ఆల్రెడీ మాకు సిఇఓ గోపిచంద్, డాక్టర్ గోపిచంద్ సార్ మా కాలేజ్ విజిటింగ్ కి వచ్చారు.
గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్.
మాకు ఇదంతా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు, వెబ్సైట్ అంతా. మేము దాని ద్వారా నేను పర్చేజ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. దాని తర్వాత నేను 20,000 వరకు ఎర్న్ చేశాను.
గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్. గుడ్ టు హియర్ మణికంఠ, గుడ్ టు హియర్. Super. Keep going, Manikanta. Yes. So guys, as you just heard, yes, you actually earn, and by earning, so you just come here and you can get this commission structure. If you don't understand this, you can ask us anytime. So you need to access, like, we need your KYC details, because without having your details, we cannot share, right? We cannot share your money, because we need bank details and PAN number and everything, so that we can directly give money to you. So when will you get money? Every week you will get money. For example, in this week, if you can refer 2 persons, if you are a premium pro person, if they taken 5,000 elite pro bundle, so in this week you will get 10,000 rupees. So every week Saturday you will get money. So you no need to wait for month end, no need to wait for month first week. So you can actually earn every week by just referring some other your co-graduates. So this is the commission structure we have. So I'll refer persons. You can come here and actually earn. Just simply come here, learn and earn. So that is the policy we are having in Earn Learn Hub. Yes, guys. I'm open for the questions. If you have any kind of doubts, just ask me. Yes, Nivedita.
Good evening, sir. Nivedita here from third year PharmD.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask that what specific skills or experience should we focus in coming next 6 months so that we can build a career strong further?
You are asking about skills, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, as you are sixth year, right?
No, sir. Third year PharmD.
See, for foundation level course, whatever your college foundation level, it is enough, as you will have actually access content in our Iran Learn Hub platform. So it is enough for foundation level courses. But if you, as I mentioned, you will have a great career path, and if you want to excel your highest package, for example, my friend pharmacovigilance specialist in France, he is earning just, I think in our currency it is 36 lakhs. I don't know their currency. So you can actually from family students 36 lakhs package for 2 years. He has 2 years of experience, that is side, but I think 1 year internship experience. So if you need that level of package and if you need excel your career, you should learn these 7 courses. I will again mention pharmacovigilance, clinical research, regulatory affairs, medical writing, medical coding, clinical data management, health informatics. You must learn these seven upskilling courses, because this seven upskill, if you learn these seven upskilling courses, so you will like drug safety associate, you can do job as drug safety associate, clinical research associate, medical writer, regulatory affairs specialist, and data analyst in healthcare industry. So these roles available in pharmaceutical companies, any pharmaceutical companies, and any clinical research organizations, and any hospitals, and most important, AI, IT healthcare companies. So if they need to access you, Nivedita, you should learn these 7 upskilling courses. These first you should learn these 7 upskilling courses and 6 years course as well. So for PharmD, every single topic is needed. So that is the exclusive content we have in Error Learn Hub. You no need to learn other. You just come here and learn whatever we mentioned in every single topic is important in Error Learn Hub, because we already like, if you have 100% syllabus, we just precise and contest into just in merge and everything into 80%. If you learn this 80%, it is highly enough. So come here, learn, don't skip anything, just come here and learn. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, and in this platform, like in this website, do we have any time barrier for watching or for learning these skills?
Yes. For example, pharmacovigilance is a 13 hours course. So no time. Okay. You asked about, yes, you can come here and learn anytime. It will be
Oh,
available only for you. You can come here and anytime you can access the content.
okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So Dhyanesh, what 99 rupees thing? It is a pocket drug dictionary.
Hello.
Yes, Akhil.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Myself Akhil. I'm a PharmD fifth year student. How
Yes,
to
Akhil.
join and access the premium bundle in Ireland, sir?
I will share my screen. Just a second.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So Akhil, just log in through Errand Learn Hub page, or else you can just come here and just buy. You can just simply buy now here from here. and simply you can log in, right?
Okay.
And once the payment is done, you will access to all the content. So or else you can just come here and you can refer. So this is my referral code and this is my referral link. So I will paste my referral link here, and you can come directly and join. By joining referral link, I may get some money.
Yeah.
So
Okay, sir.
that is, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Before we end the session, I want to just show you something very important. As we can see on the screen, that the DOPC Med conference, which just held now, we were the title sponsors there. This reflects our active involvement in national level conferences and how we are contributing to student growth and professional exposure. So it was a really great experience at the Nashik. We had many students engaging and had an interacting session with them. So we'll see the second document where we will be focusing on the collaboration and outcomes. So as you can see the collaborations, we are collaborated with Technology and Bharat Rise Career Services. Then our students are placed in Primera, Sunrise Hospitals, Cognizant, KCRS, AIG Hospitals, Hetero, IQVIA, Paraxil, and Thermo Fisher Scientific. So here you will be able to see that companies where our students have been placed, real and earning proofs also, and also the success stories of the student who has started just like you. This is not just a theory. This is real impact. So we can see the student placements, also the dashboard. Like Ashok, he's PharmD. He has the Elite bundle and referred 13 people. So the earnings are 34,150 rupees. Then Kirtana has Elite bundle. She has referred 7 referrals. She has earned 22,100 rupees. This amount is not really small. It is a very big amount for the students who are still learning and taking their degrees. Then Janvi has earned 11,000. Vinod has earned 18,000 by 5 referrals. As you then our students have also been placed in the reputed healthcare and pharma related companies. If anyone want to see the payment proofs, you can see in this the transaction. These are the transaction receipt of the students who have got the payments. Then also you can, this meant, I will just conclude that what this means for you. So this means the opportunities are there, the industry is open, the companies are hiring, just only for those who are skilled, certified, and industry ready. So I'll just call a final call to the action, that before we wrap up, here's something very important. Our new batch is starting from 20th April and the seats are very limited. So don't wait for the perfect time, because this is the perfect time. And in the last, I'll just say that invest in your skills, invest in your growth, and most importantly, invest in your future, because the future is really important for all of us. We at Erin Learn Hub here to guide you at every step of the way. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you inside the program very soon. Thank you.